Today our topic is about measures of central tendency. In measures of central tendency, there are mainly three topics. First one is the mean, second one is the median, and third one is the mode. Let's discuss one by one. First one, mean. Mean means the average of all the numbers. First, what is mean definition? Average of all the numbers. Now we will see what is mean. So in mean there are two types of data, that is group data. Not only in mean, in median and mode also there are two types of data: group data, ungrouped data. Grouped data, ungrouped data. So first we will see what is ungrouped data. Ungrouped data means he will give the data in the ungroup without a group. So we will calculate mean in ungrouped data. Like this he will give 4, 5, 6, 8, 10 and 15. Mean in the ungrouped data is equals to sum of all numbers by total number of numbers. What is the formula? Sum of all the numbers by total number of the numbers. So first sum, 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 15 by total number of numbers, that is 6. How much you will get by adding the numbers? That is 48. You will get 48 by 6, that is equals to 8. So the mean in the ungrouped data is 8 here. Sorry, here 48 not. This is 38. 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 25 40, 48. 48 correct only. 48 by 6 is equals to 8. Now we will see the grouped data. In grouped data, in grouped data again there are two types. First one, discrete series, and the second one is the continuous series. So first we will see the discrete series. Mean in the discrete series. In the discrete series, he will give two columns, that is x and f. Here x means the items and f means the frequency. He will give like 3, 8, 10, 12, 7, 9, like this he will give. And frequencies 2, 5, 4, 6, 9, 8 he will give. So the mean formula in discrete series is mean is equals to sigma fx by sigma f. What is the formula? Sigma fx by sigma f. Here fx is the multiplication of f and x. So first we have to find the fx. So first 3 into 2 6 and 40, and this also 40, and it is the 72, and this also 63, and this one is the 72. So here we have to find sigma fx, means sum of all these terms, and sigma f means sum of all the terms in the f. So here sigma fx 293 if you add all these terms, sigma f is 34 if you add the frequency terms. Now substitute in the formula, that is sigma fx 293 divided by sigma f, that is 34. You will get some 8.61. It is the answer in the discrete series. Copy. Now we will see the mean in the continuous series. In the continuous series, he will give two columns, but here he will give class intervals and the frequency, not the X term, like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Like this he will give some class intervals and frequency 3, 7, 4, 8 and 2. Now here we have to find the X term. X term is nothing but the middle value of the class intervals. Middle term of 0 and 10 is 5, and here 15, here 25, 30 and 40 middle term is 35, 40 and 50 middle term is 45. Now as we have got the X value, like the previous sum, we have to do the Fx. What we have to do? F into X. What will come? 15, 105 and here 100 and it is 280 and here it is 90. Now again we have to add all these terms and add all the F terms and again substitute in the formula. So we have got sigma Fx as 590 and sigma F as 24. Now substitute in the formula. Mean is equals to sigma Fx by F, that is 590 by 24. How much you will get? Answer is 590 divided by 24 is around 24.58 you will get. But the calculations here is so complicated. In this sum, somewhat simple, but further you will go means it will get complicated. So in this method we can use another formula, that is we can use the deviation method. We can use deviation method, mean in the deviation method. Till now we have used the simple method. Now we can use the deviation method, and there is another method, step deviation, which makes the numbers more simple. Now we have calculated the f of x. Now rub this column. I am explaining the same problem so that you can understand better the difference between the methods. Here x value came now. Now you have to select one of the x values as the assumed mean. A. You have to select one of the values from the x as the assumed mean. You can select the middle value. Here 5 terms are there. I am selecting this as the assumed value. Now you have to find the d value. D is x minus a. What is d? X minus a. Now 5 minus 25 is minus 20 and 15 minus 25 is minus 10 and 25 minus 25 0. This one is 10 and this one is 20. What we have did? We have find the d values. The formula in this method is mean is equals to sigma f of d by sigma f. What is the formula? Sigma fd by sigma f plus a plus a. Now you have to find f of d here. Here this is the d values, this is the f values, multiply f d. This is 60 and this is you have to keep the minus symbols also. It is very important. This is minus 70, this is 0, this is 80 and this is 40. Now add all the numbers. Minus 130 and this is 120. So where we are, this is minus 130 and this is 120, we have got the value as minus 10. Substitute in this formula, that is sigma fd means minus 10 and sigma f means 24 and plus a is assumed value is 25. Simplify the value. See here, you will get some 0.41 minus 0.41 plus 25, that is around 24.59, that is you will get 24.6. What you will get? 24.6. So we will see now step deviation method. Step deviation method. So in the step deviation method, we have to find another value u, that is x minus a by h. Here h means the size of the class interval. What is h here? 0 to 10 means 10 minus 0 means h value is 10 here. H is equals to 10. So we have to divide the d value, that is x minus a divided by h means divided by 10. What you will get? Minus 2 and minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. After getting the u values, again you have to do the fu, that is f multiplied by u. I am writing the at last as place is not sufficient, and f into u. What is the f? 3. 3 into minus 2, minus 6 and minus 7 and 0 and 8 and this is 4. What you will get, the answer is minus 1. What you will get? Some minus 1. Now we will I will explain the formula first. I am rubbing. Mean formula in step deviation method is mean is equals to a plus sigma fu by sigma f into h. What is a? We have taken as 25 plus what is minus 1 sigma fu. I have rubbed that 24 sigma f and h is 10 as I have said. That is 25 minus 10 by 24. That is 25 minus 0.41 something. That is 24.6 that will come at last. This is the mean in the step deviation method. Step deviation is nothing but in the deviation method also, if values are difficult for calculation, then we can simplify the numbers more easily for the calculation. See, in the three methods the answer will come same only. Now we will see median in the ungrouped data. Median definition is the middlemost value. What is the median definition? Middlemost value. So we will see an example like 4, 7, 9, 24 and 13, 17 and 18. First we have to arrange the series in the ascending order or descending order. That is ascending order 4, 7, 9, 13, 17 and 18. Here the median formula is n plus 1 by 2th term. What is the formula? N plus 1 by 2th term. That is n. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 6 only, 7. 7 plus 1 by 2. That is 8 by 2. That is 4th term. Here 4 is not the answer. 4th term is the answer. What is the 4th term here? 13. So median in this problem is 13. Here you have to be very careful. It is 4th term, not the 4. And this formula is if n is odd numbers. If n is odd, this formula is used. In ungrouped data only, if n is even, what will happen we will see. 9, 14, 17 and 20. First arrange in the ascending order, that is 4, 7, 9. Oh, they are in the ascending order only. I wrote in the ascending order only. Here the n is 6, means even. If even numbers are given, the formula of the median is average of n plus 1 by 2 term and that is plus n by 2 plus 1 term. Average of n plus 1 by 2 term and n by 2 plus first term. Now see, n is 6. 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Make here a correction, not n plus 1 by 2, n by 2th term and n by 2 plus first term. That is 6 by 2 is third term and n by 2 plus 1 means fourth term. Third term, what is the third term here? 9. And what is the fourth term here? 14. That is 9 plus 14 by 2. How much is 9 plus 14? That is 23 by 2. So you will get some 11.5. Median in the even series is the 11.5. Now we will see the median in the discrete series. He will give the x column and f column. To find the median in the discrete series, we have to calculate first cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means adding the values from the top. That is first 9, 9 plus 10, 19 and 19 plus 25 is 44 and 44 plus 30 is 74 and 74 plus 17 is some 93. We have to add the values from the top. First 9 and again 9 plus 10 19 and 19 plus 25 44. So after that, here the formula is again median is n plus 1 by 2. So how much here n is? Add all these terms. Here n value is 91. So 91 plus 1 by 2. That is 92 by 2. How much you will get? That is 46th term. 46th term. So this 46, where it will coincide in the cumulative frequency, you have to see that. Where will 46 will come? In 44, 46 will not come. So in 74, 46 will come. So the answer will be the number preceding the 74. Number which is indicating the 74, that is the median. So here median is 6. 6 is the median. First we have to find the cumulative frequencies and then we have to find the n plus 1 by 2 value and then we have to see where it is coinciding in the cumulative frequency, and the value at the cumulative frequency is the median, that is 6 here. Now we will see the median in the continuous series. Continuous series. So he will give the class intervals. Class intervals and frequency, that is some 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30 and 30 to 35. And he will give some frequencies, that is 15, 20, 25, 40, and here's 35. So here first we have to find the cumulative frequencies here also, that is CF, that is here 15 only, that is 35, this is 60, this is 100, and this is 135. First we have to find the cumulative frequencies, that is 135. So we have find the cumulative frequencies, and here n is equals to 135. And one more thing, in the previous sum we have got here cumulative frequency 93, that one is some wrong. 91, that is n value and the cumulative frequency value should coincide with each other. That problem you should understand, that's why I said like that. Here the n value and the cumulative frequency value should coincide with each other. If they did not match, means your answer is gone somewhere. So you should understand that, that's why I told that. Okay, here you have to find the n by 2 value. N by 2 is equals to 135 by 2. How much you will get? That is 67.5. N by 2 value you will get 67.5. See where it is coinciding, 100. 67.5 will not come now, that's why in 100 it is coinciding. So it is the median class, and this is the median, this is the F value, this is the L value, that is 25, and this is the CF value, cumulative frequency preceding the median class is the CF value. Now the median formula is, in the continuous series, L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Now we know the values. L is 25, n by 2 value we have got, CF is 60, F value is 40 here. I am writing from the table only, nothing new I am writing, that is H is equals to 5, difference between the class interval. Now substitute in the formula, that is equals to L how much? 25 plus n by 2 how much? 67.5 minus CF how much? 60 by F how much? 40 into 10. This 4 0 0 cancel, that is 25 plus 7.5 by 4. What you will get? 25 plus, oh it is not visible, so previous continuation, 25 plus 7.5 by 4, that is 25 plus some 1.8, that is 26.8. This is the median in the continuous series. Next we will see the mode. Now we will see mode in the ungrouped data. Mode is nothing but the most times repeated value. The value which is repeated more number of times is known as mode. Now see an example, 4, 6, 8, 8, 4, 6, 4, 3, 4, 2. Now see in this problem, 8 is repeated 2 times, 6 is repeated 2 times, and 4 is repeated 4 times. So which value is repeated more times? That is called mode. So mode is equals to 4 in this problem. In some cases there will be 2 or 3 modes also. See this 4, 6, 8, 8, 4, 8 and 4, 8, 4, 2. See here 4 times and 8 also 4 times. So in this problem mode is equals to 4 and 8. This is known as the bimode. That means 2 modes. In some problems 3 modes also will come. Discrete series. Mode in the discrete series is the most easiest thing in the central tendency, measures of central tendency. What you have to do is, in frequency, what is the highest value, the number which is in the x, that will be the mode. Here see what is the highest repeated, highest number is 17. So the number coinciding with the 17 will be the mode. So here the mode will be 5. What is the mode? 5. Till 10th class level this much is enough in discrete series. If you go further there will be 2, one more 17 will be there. There will be another method for finding that. Now we will see the continuous series in the mode. Continuous series in the mode. Again he will give 2 columns, x and f, like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 19, 17, 20, 15 and 14. The highest value you have to take as f1. Sorry, we are doing the continuous series, means class intervals will come now. Nobody. Class intervals and frequency. In the continuous series there will be no x. That is 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70 and 70 to 80. Now the frequency is 10, 15, 17, 20, that is 16 and 30. Now the highest frequency, here we have to keep it as f1, and the above of the highest frequency is f0, and below that is taken as f2. And the highest frequency coinciding is the modal class. What is this? Modal class. And this is the L value, lower limit. Now the formula in the mode is, mode in the continuous series is L plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. What is the L value here? 50. What is the f1 value? That is highest frequency, 20. What is f0 value? That is above the highest frequency, that is 17. And what is the f2 value? That is below the highest frequency, that is 16. And what is the h value? That is size is 10. Now substitute in the formula. 50 plus f1 20 minus f0 17 by 2 into 20 minus 17 and minus 16 into 10. What you will get? 50 plus 3 by 40 minus 33 into 10. I am rubbing this. I will rub this one. That is 50 plus 30 by 7. 50 plus 30 by 7 means how much you will get? That is 4.2 something you will get. That is 54.2. That is mode is equals to 54.2. So these are all the models in the central tendency, that is the mean, median and mode in the grouped and ungrouped data. So if you have any doubts you can ask in the comment section. I will tell in the next class.